Okay, so we'll start recording again. That was quick though, I just took the bread out of the oven. Anyways, this is more like a stream rather than a actual video, but I guess I'm doing a lot in this video, so. Okay, so why is logo, is the computer just being a poo-poo or what? And this is logo, array buffer. LGOO array buffer, there you go. Okay, so it should be logo and logo array buffer. Okay, we're fine. The squiggly will go away. Trust me, trust me. Let's see, num VAOs, logo. Type name is not allowed. Oh, well, that's right, because the logo is the name of the class. So let's just say logo VAO. I like that, right? So then right here, we're just going to call it logo VAO. Okay, so create vertex area object bind it, create vertex area buffer, bind it, copy data to it. We don't need this anymore, and it's not even valid. Or this. Okay, don't think we use that. Going down, going down. Okay, so we're going to put this. Should this be global? I'm wondering. Probably, I mean, we'll probably use different shaders per particle system. So let's just make this part of the class, I guess. Can we do that? I don't know. I'm not privy to all this particle system. Let's just go right in here and paste it in shader info. Does that work? Looks like it works to me, kid. Okay, good. So let's leave it like that. Let's just go logo shaders, okay, like that. So that takes care of that. Comment that out. And then here we're just going to go GLUint program, load shaders, use program. We'll use all these vertex attributes. We're going to add all this in. Well, this is a particle system. This is not a small thing. Okay, right in here. Load shaders and use program. That works. So V position, where does it get that from too? That's up here, right? Yeah, V position, V color, V texture, alright, all that fun stuff. Okay, so that's fine. So now let's just comment all this out, because this has all been put into the initialization. And that covers your vertex attribute stuff, right? So this is the define and enable vertex attribute pointers. Array. This is why I'm not writing a book. I'm just programming. Okay, we'll get to that in a sec. Okay, so the texture now. I don't see any of this that really needs to go. Okay, so this is good. This all needs to go in the init function. This is crazy. This init is a monster. It is a monster. Texture stuff there. No problem. I just copied it right over. It's because all these are local variables to the function, so that's great. That is great. Great for me. Great for thee. Okay, we might be done with the init. Okay, let's get excited. Okay, so the only thing left in the actual init, we can delete all this other code, is this, which we don't need, this, which we need, this, which we need, and this, which we actually need. Okay, so found equals false. We can use that too. All right, let's just delete everything else. Don't think we need that. Let's just comment it out for now. What are we doing? Deleting all of this, all of it, all the way down. Go, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop. There, so now your init is about 5 lines. There you go. And then what you'd want to do is, you're not going to do this. You're going to do particle system, logo 1, okay? And then right down here in your init, what do you know? Logo 1 dot init. Particle system logo 1. What's wrong with that? Tell me. Tell me. Oh, it's figuring out. It'll figure it out in a second. I don't think we need that. Oops. Considering that we're on the verge of deleting it. Is that because it's not been defined yet? Or no, it's been defined up here. It's all defined. Okay, well, let's keep going before we come back to that. Let's get rid of this. Now we just have our happy little init function for main. I kind of prefer that way. Okay, display. So display is going to go so let's leave that and then just do this. This part goes into the actual. So we defined init. Here's display. Boom. Bind vertex array object. So also, are we going to need to bind the texture and all that fun stuff? I think eventually we will. We'll have to bind the vertex array object and the texture, I believe. But for now, we're good. And it's not VAO lines, it's logo VAO, right? There we go. I was excited for a second. Okay, so logo num vertices, right? Okay. So there's your display. Now we can come down here to display and just delete those. We don't need that. And then in fact what we are doing is logo1.display right there. Okay, so far we're doing quite well, I have to say. Update buffer, okay. If logo is false, so we just want this else. Okay. So it's a loop through, okay, let's just copy the whole thing. And then cut out what we don't want. Actually, I'm feeling pretty confident in this, so let's cut it out. Yeah. Then we're going to the logo update function right there. Gonna delete this if. We're on the third little. Delete that. We don't want the else. Go down, we don't want that. Okay, and then once again we're replacing the system with this. Vertices, that looks good. It's a little tricky. That works. Random radius angle. Okay. Do we use that? Yes, apparently we do. Aha. Oh, and this goes in there too. Okay, hold on. So logo one dot update. You like how I really have a verbose description of what that function actually does. Just like a generic array buffer. This is actually a logo array buffer. LGoo comes out again. Not entirely sure this is going to work, but we'll see. Particle system logo 1. Wait, what's it doing way down here? Is that the problem? I don't know. I'm scared. So main has an init display and update, and then the particle system has a main has an init display and update. Okay, which we're running each time, and then there. This is really cool. I'm wondering if this, what's the problem with that? Let's just try to compile and see if it recognizes. Object of abstract type particle system is not allowed. Oh, duh, we don't want a particle system. We want a logo. And then, did we do that right then? We want a logo. Okay, now a non-standard extension use zero-sized array instruct. Huh? Array bound cannot be deduced from it. Oh, let's just take it out of the let's just take it out of there and make it a global. That's it. Global. Global. Num vertices undeclared identifier. Right. It's going to be logo num vertices. How do I remember all this stuff? I don't know. It worked. Okay. This will be amazing if it actually works. I will be amazed. It works. Holy holy Dune people, Batman. Okay, well, I don't know about you folks, but I am tired. Actually, I'm going to go have some fresh bread, and then I'm going to upload these videos so that y'all can watch them. So now what's really cool is we can take out, because we don't use this color class for the color, right? Or do we? I'm scared. I'm scared. But we don't use this class at all anymore. So init, we just use that. Display, we just use that. Update buffer, all that. Okay. And then what else can we take out? See, just compile it and run it. We don't use that. See, still works. Yay. Okay, so what about this stuff? Do we use this? I don't think so. It's just there. Yeah, we don't. Let's take it out. Of course, I should know, but don't you know what goes into your programs? It's a matter of opinion. Okay, logo 1. Do we use this? Find all references. Line 220 and 226. That's it? Okay, we don't use that. I don't know why I put that in there, why I'm keeping it in there. Take it out. Just making sure it runs. It works. Cool. Okay, so that is really awesome. Basically, I've encapsulated all that, and my next job is going to be to figure out what the heck we can do to keep some of these things even more encapsulated. Because look at your actual init. Okay, this is your initialization. It all runs inside the class. Display, it all runs from inside the class. Update, yeah, so why do these things need to be global? Yeah, we'll take out the global variables. Like we could put this enum, right? Can't you put that inside the class? And this, and and the VAOs and the buffers? And have that all just be inside the class? All right, well, stay tuned for that. I might do that later tonight after I finish eating again, or I might do that probably tomorrow because it's, getting late and I got to work tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, leave comments in the section below the video. And I hope you enjoyed this video.